How to change your account location, country, and region on Roblox on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you what's actually possible with location settings today. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign into your Roblox account. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right. At this point, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the next step, click on the Account Info tab. Following this, scroll down to view your current account location listed there. Once done, keep in mind Roblox no longer offers a manual drop-down to directly change your country or region from this page. From here, your location is instead detected automatically based on device signals like your IP address over a period of time. At this stage, if you've genuinely moved to a new country, continuing to use Roblox normally from that location should eventually update it. Keep in mind using a VPN can affect how accurately Roblox detects your real location, so it's best to access the platform naturally from wherever you currently are. Finally, check back under Account Info after some time to see if your listed location has updated to reflect your new region. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand account location on Roblox on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.